Today I'm going to show you how to do a spin, swing, zero round for the Upraiz Tricking curriculum. Let's check it out. I'm Anthony Medina and welcome to Upraiz Tricking. The channel is all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so that you can excel at the sport. If you're not sure how to do a spin, swing, zero round, hopefully this video can help. And before continuing this video, I recommend that you have your spin cheat zero round. If you do not, you can click right there for that tutorial. When you start this move, you're going to be starting in a backside stance, looking forward at your target. You're going to go ahead and step around with your front foot into a front side swing, jump up and throw your round kick. And then finish by landing the move in a front side stance, or you can let your kicking leg follow all the way through to a backside stance. So let's go ahead and break this move down into progressions. First progression is going to be a spin, swing, round kick. Your second progression is going to be a spin, swing, round follow through. And basically you're just doing your swing round kicks, but you're making sure that you're jumping in the air while you're kicking. Let's go ahead and check those out one more time. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And if you'd like to support Upraiz Tricking just a little bit more, you can visit patreon.com/Upraiz Tricking. And just by donating $1 a month, you give me the ability to keep this curriculum going. Here at Upraiz, I'm all about helping you build a solid foundation for your tricking so you can excel at the sport. Next, we'll be getting into a spin, pop, zero hook. And it'd be awesome to have you with us. Stay motivated, keep growing, Upraiz.